have a little visitor here. You gonna jump on my head? Yeah, all right. That's the neighbor's pigeon. He likes to peck. Anyways, so, first and foremost, hey guys, I'm back. Just took a hiatus. I was doing a couple things. I got sidetracked. Nothing bad kind of sidetracked, like, you know, actual like job opportunities. I've been doing my own thing for the past 3 months now since, you know, beginning of New Year's. And so with that being said, I kind of neglected the channel a little bit, but no more neglect. I am gonna be posting more videos to the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. You see, I'm in the full outfit. I got a little bit of oil on myself and whatnot. I was currently working on my own engine. I still got some more stuff to do, more videos for that. I ain't gonna release a lot of stuff just yet in this video, but I do have more things coming to the channel, especially about my engine back here. Today's video is gonna be me going over to my buddy Alejandro's house, and we're gonna be working on his Corvette. He's doing a Procharger setup. It's pretty interesting. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be posting 2 parts because it was a lot to capture. Subscribe. Make sure you guys click that bell button down below so that you guys stay up to date with more videos that I'm going to be posting. That being said, enjoy the video. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm with my buddy Alejandro here.
Hey guys.
Yeah. That was forced. Today we're gonna be working on the C6 Vet, and because we're going Procharger, right? Procharger. If you guys haven't already seen it, we've put it on the channel before for just like a little short. At the time, he was working on it and just changing the exhaust. What were you doing to it at the time?
I was changing the exhaust.
Bruh. What was it? Just the full exhaust or just the exhaust tips?
It was the exhaust tips. I was going with the LS7 Seal 6 exhaust. Okay.
It actually sounded pretty good at the time, you know. But he went.
Now I have courses. Shout out to my boy Ray for hooking it up with those courses.
And the reason why I want to actually put this on the channel is because it was a reasonable price for the kit, you know. Yeah. For a Procharger kit, full kit, I'm talking like everything required: your couplers, your hoses, intercooler, what is it? What else? So,
injectors.
Okay, injectors.
The booster pump, which I'm not gonna use.
Right.
Injectors, I'm not gonna use the injectors.
Right.
But it comes on the kit.
Right. Basically, get this kit for what was it like? 61 out the door. Yeah. So 61 out the door, which I mean, to Procharge any kind of car, you know, and you go with the big manufacturers, you're talking about like easy like 8, 9, you know. And so for him, he's not gonna go crazy with the boost, so it's not gonna be making that much off the rip. I mean,
all of it. Mid 7s.
700 something.
Yeah, 750.
That's a good daily driver.
That's a good daily driver.
That's a good daily driver.
So around 750 with the heads, the cam.
Right.
You know.
Okay.
I'm thinking 750 at 12 PSI.
No,
maybe more.
No, that sounds good. That sounds good. More. And it's a manual too. To put an auto in a C6, you're talking.
A TH400.
You gotta get the whole cradle and everything.
Yeah. No, it's too much.
We're here over at O'Reilly's. We're getting
12 side.
12 side.
Socket. Yeah.
Okay, 12 side socket so that we can take off the crank.
ARP crank.
And so we're gonna pin the crank for your whole kit, for your whole setup. You know, and then after that, I think it's basically to put the rest of it together, right? Yeah. Because he already got on the heads. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But we're gonna run up in O'Reilly's real quick.
I got the heads in, the cam, everything is already in.
Okay. We gonna crank up sooner or later? All right, we'll be right back. So we're gonna be pinning the crank now. This is the engine. But what we're gonna be doing right now, we pinning the crank so that our balancer don't be moving around on us. We making all that torque. And so basically what you do is you drill it with this guide, the guide holes. You drill it in there, and then once it's set, you drop your pin in there, and that's basically pinning the crank, and then you put your nut for the crank back on.
With a piece of tape, you don't want to go too deep.
Right.
But you want to mark it, measure where the spacer gonna stop, and then you add the pin. That way you don't drill
too far in.
Too far in. You guys see the little hole on the right hand side?
Yeah, too much machine.
And then just slide it in. That's it. It's already pinned.
There it is. Slid. Just like that. Done.
So if you guys have a C6, you guys don't really have to take off the power steering rack. As long as you take off the motor mount bolts, put it diagonally, lift the motor, and drop the subframe about an inch, you got space to
do what you need to do.
Do what you need to do. Now, if you gotta take off the pulley, then you do need to take off, or drop the whole subframe. I'd rather drop the whole subframe than take off. That's
right. It's whatever resources you got, because we're in a garage here, so it's not all the greatest, but you can still get some work done. After this, what's next after this?
Lower the motor, put the subframe back on, tighten everything up, start with the accessories.
All right. Y'all heard it first. For my peoples who don't know how to open up a Corvette door that's no battery to it or anything like that, it's pretty simple. You just, I mean, do you want me to show them this, or is this gonna, like, you know, increase crime?
No.
So there's a little latch down here. You're pulling that, and then your door opens up. Let me pull it one more time. There it is. Your door opens up. That's how you get into a Corvette when the battery's disconnected and, you know.
Yeah.
All right. But there's that lesson for y'all. Now, that don't mean to go steal no Corvettes out here. Or Hellcats. Man, I don't know why. If you own a Hellcat, like, you're basically screwed, dog. We're gonna put
put it on first gear, actually.
Yeah, he's got the MGW shifter. Got his little nitrous setup up in there, man.
Guys, make sure you hear the click.
Got the carbon wheel. Buddy's trying to really make this a ZR1, man.
Hey.
He's trying to make it a ZR1. Hey, yo, you should name this. You should name this the Barnyard ZR1 or Backyard ZR1. Because, like, originally, this car was a bone stock C6. Nothing done to it. How many miles did it have on when he picked it up?
90.
Had 90,000 miles on
Guess what? Now it has 91.
Okay. And now he's going to some big stuff, you know. Well, moving up the ladder to some big stuff. For that one?
It's A-rib. So
8-rib crank pulley.
Right.
What would that mean to the people that don't know anything about cars?
Stay doing cocaine. It's cheaper.
It's not for the ones that worry about money, you know. You can start racking up the monies real quick, you know, and it keeps on going. You think you're gonna be all like, oh, I'm gonna just go all motor. Like, that's what he was gonna do, right, Alejandro?
Yep.
He was gonna do all motor.
First time I built it was for the all motor build.
He was gonna do an all motor, and then just one day he was like, I'm boosted. I was like, all right, well, which way you gonna do it? He was thinking about either a top mount supercharger, Procharger. He totally ruled out a turbocharger, like a little. Nah, but
I'll take it.
When it comes to the turbo stuff on Vets, I think that's one of the hardest setups to do and still retain everything inside of the hood. You know, you got to move a lot of stuff just like even like the smallest turbo kit. Most people just stick it out the hood, you know, but then you might lose something, like you might lose your AC compressor. Hopefully you don't live in a hot state like we do. That would suck.
Found some weird stuff with this heads.
What, these Texas Speeds?
Yes.
And what is it?
So the way they ported, they go so far in that actually connects to this bolts right here. So you can actually put a rod through it.
Oh, you could pop a hole straight through.
No,
this.
it's been popped. Yeah.
So like
To all of them, and I did some research on it, and it's normal, I guess.
So hold on. So
I'll show you now. You can see it.
From this intake runner, how it goes down. Holy shit! I can feel the damn hole.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
This bolt. You know, you're gonna seal it.
You're sealing it with
the bolt, but it's like.
I think you'd have to put like some type of thread sealer in there, and like behind it some type of
You can
RTV
actually,
or something like that.
I thought it was just my heads. Turns out all the heads are like that.
From Texas Speed.
No, for anybody. If you really.
Oh, for when they pour it.
Yeah.
Okay. Intake back on. All right, guys, we forgot. No, I'm kidding. So we got the intake on. All the bolts in. He did one side, I did the other, and now we're putting on the accessory to that, right? Accessory?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so getting on the brackets here just to see where everything goes. Looks clean though. All right, so we got the
Radiator.
all right, we got the radiator on, radiator in, intercooler stuff in there, the Procharger stuff, and the intercooler. So stay tuned to that. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell button for any notifications or updates for any new videos coming out.